What birds can teach us about flying robots. Imagine a pigeon seated on a telephone wire. Ready for takeoff, it raises its wings, jumps into the air, and flies away. This series of actions is so common that you probably do not pay it much attention. But University of Manchester engineer Ben Parslew does. He is trying to design robots that can jump like birds. Most conventional robots roll around on wheels, which limit their range of motions. There is a need for more agile robots that can jump over obstacles in crowded environments, Parslew says. To design such a machine, he turned to nature. Birds are really good jumpers, he notes. The trouble is that when birds start to take off, they lean far forward. According to the rules of physics, they should fall over onto their heads. Yet that does not happen. Parslew and his team used computer modeling to discover how birds avoid this. They discovered that birds bend their bodies slightly backward while preparing to jump. They also have flexible leg and toe joints, which prevent them from crashing into the ground immediately after takeoff. Parslew thinks engineers can use this information to design robots that can jump well and thus take off efficiently. Without such an ability, most present flying machines made by humans require either long runways, think airplanes, or flat, stable surfaces, think helicopters or drones, for takeoff. In both cases, they take some time to get off the ground and gain height. University of Southern California researcher Michael Habib, who was not involved in the study, says springs and levers enable faster acceleration than wheels and axles do. And many animals are masters of springs and levers. A house cat will beat a fast sports car off the starting line for the first 30 meters, he says. While the car has to rev up its engine, the cat launches itself into a run. The same principle controls how birds take flight. If you can understand how that works, Habib adds, you can build a robot that's good at running around and good at flying, and it will also be good at taking off suddenly in all kinds of conditions and landing accurately. Parslew is now designing such a robot as an alternative to wheeled vehicles for exploring other planets.